Hello, my dear ones, and welcome to Wise Maturity. Today I want to talk with you about a topic that, while it may seem delicate, is extremely important, especially for men over 50 who want to take care of their well-being and keep their health in balance. Masturbation is an important subject when discussing men's health, particularly considering the impact it can have on prostate health, a crucial gland for the male reproductive system. The prostate, located just below the bladder and in front of the rectum, is responsible for producing seminal fluid, which nourishes and protects sperm. With aging, this gland tends to enlarge naturally, a phenomenon known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. BPH can lead to uncomfortable symptoms, such as difficulty urinating, increased urinary frequency, and a feeling that the bladder is never completely empty. This enlargement of the prostate is a normal part of male aging, but many men wonder how practices like masturbation might affect this gland. Studies suggest that masturbation can have positive effects on prostate health, as regular ejaculation helps release prostatic fluids that can accumulate in the gland. This release may reduce the risk of infections and inflammation, promoting a more balanced prostate health. Moreover, masturbation can be an important practice for emotional well-being, especially in later years when stress and psychological pressure can directly impact quality of life. During masturbation, the body releases endorphins and other chemicals that improve mood, help relieve stress, and promote a sense of relaxation. This is particularly relevant for older men who may face emotional challenges such as loneliness, anxiety, and even depression. Masturbation, being an intimate and personal activity, allows a man to maintain a connection with his body, preserving self-esteem and a positive perception of his own sexuality. Another relevant point is the impact on oxygenation and circulation in genital tissues. By stimulating the genital area, masturbation can help improve blood flow, which is essential for the health of sexual tissues. This increased circulation can help preserve sensitivity and sexual functionality over the years, contributing to personal satisfaction and physical well-being. However, it's always important for each man to be mindful of his body's limits. In cases of serious health conditions such as advanced prostate cancer, the practice may not be recommended, as tissues may be more sensitive or fragile due to treatment. In these cases, it's best to seek guidance from a healthcare professional who can provide personalized and safe advice on what is most suitable for the health condition in question. Masturbation can be an ally for prostate and emotional health for many men. It not only offers physiological benefits, such as improved blood circulation and the release of prostatic fluids, but it also promotes an intimate connection with oneself, supporting mental and emotional well-being. As always, the practice should be moderate and respectful of each body's individual limits and needs, with health professional support when necessary. For many older men, masturbation becomes more than just a physical activity. It takes on emotional significance, especially when a partner's companionship may not always be present. In this context, masturbation offers a way of self-connection and helps combat loneliness, providing a sense of intimacy and self-care. This regular practice serves as a reminder that sexuality is a natural and healthy part of being human, regardless of age, reinforcing emotional autonomy and independence. In addition to emotional benefits, self-stimulation can help strengthen self-esteem and body acceptance throughout the aging process. Studies in sexology indicate that men who maintain a healthy connection with their sexuality tend to have a more positive self-image, which can contribute to higher self-esteem. This self-acceptance helps reduce anxiety, especially at a stage in life when health concerns and physical changes can impact self-confidence. When a man cares for his own pleasure and sexual health, he reinforces a healthy relationship with his body and reduces emotional tension, which also positively influences mood. Physically, masturbation also offers clear benefits. Stimulating the genital area activates blood flow and facilitates oxygenation of tissues in the region, which is essential for the health of the reproductive system. This increased circulation helps maintain sensitivity and functionality in sexual tissues, providing natural support for sexual health and contributing to overall well-being. Keeping sexual activity moderate and mindful is a way to protect the integrity of sexual organs and prevent issues arising from lack of stimulation or circulation in the area. Regarding prostate health, research indicates that frequent ejaculation can be beneficial. For men over 50, releasing accumulated prostatic fluids during ejaculation can reduce the risk of inflammation and infection in the prostate gland. This happens because regular release of these fluids decreases stagnation and accumulation of substances that can irritate or inflame the prostate. In this way, masturbation serves as a complement to prostate health care, promoting a natural cleansing of the prostatic ducts, though it does not replace other preventive practices and treatments recommended by doctors. Therefore, masturbation should not be seen as a cure for prostate issues, but as part of a balanced lifestyle that promotes physical and mental health. Combined with a proper diet, physical exercise, and regular medical checkups, conscious and moderate masturbation can be an important ally for quality of life, helping a man stay connected to himself, promoting well-being, and contributing to positive sexual health in maturity. Remembering that every body is unique is essential, especially when dealing with more delicate health conditions such as prostate cancer. When a man is undergoing treatment for a serious prostate condition, self-stimulation can cause discomfort due to increased tissue sensitivity. In some cases, even small movements may cause pain, and forcing this practice could worsen the situation. That's why consulting a specialist is crucial. Only they can assess the specific health condition and provide guidance on what is safest and most comfortable, respecting the limitations imposed by the treatment. Every situation is unique, and medical supervision will allow for a safer and more informed approach. Psychologically, it's natural for many older men to have doubts and concerns about the impact of masturbation on their health, especially if there is a history of prostate problems. The sense of stigma surrounding this topic can lead to embarrassment, but understanding that sexuality is a natural part of life is liberating and helps foster a more loving and healthy relationship with one's body. For many, learning that self-stimulation is not only natural, but can also be beneficial brings relief and acceptance, reducing anxiety about aging and sexual health. Approaching this topic in a natural and balanced way helps combat taboos and encourages a more positive view, free from guilt or shame. When older men understand that their sexuality is not something that should be forgotten or repressed, but rather respected and integrated into their daily lives, they cultivate a sense of well-being that encompasses both body and mind. This acceptance is crucial for strong mental and emotional health, which directly contributes to a balanced and peaceful relationship with one's body. Adopting an attitude of self-care and respect, accepting that the body deserves love and attention at any stage of life, strengthens self-care and self-esteem. This balance allows self-stimulation to be seen as a healthy practice that respects physical limits and promotes overall well-being, free from unnecessary guilt or anxiety. In summary, masturbation can be a healthy practice for men over 50, including those with prostate issues, as long as there are no medical contraindications. This activity, when done in a moderate and conscious way, can be beneficial for mental and physical health, helping maintain a connection with oneself. Always remember to consult your healthcare professionals to get the best advice for your particular situation. Thank you for joining us at Wise Maturity. If this message was helpful to you, don't hesitate to share, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments. We'll see you in the next episode, where we'll continue discussing topics that help us live a full and healthy life. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.